So, good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. How are you? And
Yes,
how has your day been so far?
yes, I am doing great. Fit as a fiddle. What about you? First of all, tell me.
Yes, I'm also doing amazing. Thank you so much for asking. And yesterday I was feeling under the weather, but today I'm feeling good.
Okay, so are you on the mend now? Do you feeling better? Do you feel better
Yes,
today?
yes. Today I feel exceptionally well.
Oh,
Yes.
that's great because if wife, mother, and woman, would be tired or not well, so whole house would be clutter. So that's why we should be feeling well. Otherwise, it's really messy house we have, and next day
Yeah,
we have
exactly right.
extra work to do, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yes. Although when we don't feel good or sometimes we feel monotonous, lazy, and we don't want to do anything,
Yes.
still, laying on the bed, we don't feel comfortable just because of our whole house become messy. So how can we lay down
Right,
with
right.
peaceful? I can say with peaceful.
Yes, yes, it happens
Mm-hmm.
actually, and it happens with only mothers and women, It doesn't happen
Mm-hmm.
with men. They don't feel okay, no problem, let it be. Let's take some rest.
Exactly right. And yesterday I told to my husband, I don't want to feel to do something because my body is too much aching. Then he said to me, uh, after like going to my office, you can rest. What will you do for whole day?
Oh my God. So
Yeah.
you should inform him that okay, here are some videos you can watch, right? And then for one day, na, you should not work at least for him, right? Then once he comes back, then let's see. I didn't have
What is the result?
yes, I didn't have anything to do throughout the day. I just scrolled my mobile phone, and now I am free. So then he will ask about food. Where is food? How I,
Yeah, exactly right.
where is my fresh clothes? Right. And why
Right.
the bed is so messy? Where should I sit? Like sleep now. So then he will realize, okay.
Yeah, even though he, by God grace, he can understand very well. But when I don't feel good or my health is not okay, then he always, and after recovering or after feel good, then you can do.
Right, right.
Don't pressurize yourself. Yeah,
That's good.
but but we can't do like that.
Right. He's a
Right?
he's supportive person.
Yeah, he's a supportive
don't
person,
need,
right?
you don't need to pressurize yourself. You can manage your household chores once we leave, right? So I
Hmm.
guess it could be better for you, right? You can take some rest before, because we have to like drop our children as well at school. After then there are
Hmm.
many works to do, like mornings are always like a headless chicken, isn't it? We don't even
Yeah, exactly
realize that how
right.
the times has flew. So it's
Hmm.
messy actually. Okay, so I guess
Yeah.
we are here.
Just I want to clear one point. He is supportive just by his way of speaking, but he is not supportive to do something.
Oh,
He just support by his words.
oh my
He doesn't want to do anything at like related to household chores. Before marriage, he used to do a lot work. Like he sometimes he used to cook also. But I can say after marriage, slowly and gradually, he becomes a what should I say? Like become a lazy kind of person. He
God.
doesn't want to
Yes,
do.
yes. He
Yeah.
became a sluggish one. Right now, right now he knows that my wife is here and he will manage each and everything. I don't need to bother it. Right? So,
Yeah,
yes.
exactly right.
Yes.
Yes, you were asking something.
Yes. I was saying that first of all, should we, introduce ourselves first, because I don't know you. You are here on my YouTube channel
Mhm.
for the very first time. So please introduce yourself.
Yeah, sure. So, as you know that my name is Suman. I am from Delhi, but I hail in Chandigarh. I used to spend my time more than 25 years. Actually, my roots are in Uttar Pradesh, but I raised in Chandigarh.
Okay.
And if I talk about my qualifications, so I have done graduation and NTT diploma. Apart from that, I'm pursuing masters in English literature, and by profession I'm a teacher. I teach primary student. Talking about my hobbies, so these days just I love to read books, and I have also green thumb. Whenever I get free, just I love to take care of my plants and water the plants. I love to these activity in my free time. And I in my leisure time I also love to spend time with my son. I love to teach him. I love to talk with him. That's pretty much about me.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's great. So, shall I introduce myself? Lovely to hear
Yes, yes,
about your
sure.
introduction. And I guess you
Yeah.
have a lot in your plate. You are all the fingers in the pie, right? As every woman
Yeah.
has. Still, okay, first I would introduce myself. So, as I come to me, my name is Meenakshi and I am from Punjab, specifically from district Jalandhar. So, currently, I
Mm-hmm.
am also a homemaker and I am a proud mother of one daughter. So simultaneously, I am also a teacher. I teach beginners and intermediate level students. I am a spoken English teacher, and meanwhile, I am running a YouTube channel by the name of Meenakshi English Vibes. So it's a nutshell introduction from my side. Okay.
Wow, that's amazing to know about you. So, as you mentioned, you are a teacher, you are a English teacher. So, do you teach online or offline?
No, no, online. Still, I teach them online. So yes, over video call.
Okay, are you taking group classes or one-to-one?
Like my evening students, I have a group students in group, and but in morning I have only one student so far, so I teach her only. But in the evening student, I have three students, so I teach them in group.
Okay, great. Lovely to hear that. Okay.
Right, right, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you usually manage your daily routine and between work and personal life? How do you strike a balance between your work and personal life? As you mentioned, you are a nature lover. You also have a son. You are a teacher as well. So how it could be feasible for you to strike a balance between those works?
Hmm. I must say, it is very easy if we want to do something and if we want to spend time with the best manners way, I can say. Because if we want to do something, so we should make a timetable. I always prefer to go with timetable. I don't want to procrastinate my work. If my health is not okay or I'm not feeling well, that is the other thing. But if I am fit, then I don't want to procrastinate my work. Just I love to go with the timetable. And in between work, I don't want to operate my phone. I always keep my phone inside, because you know what happens when we do something work, and while doing work just we can check again and again our phone, so we definitely waste our time. So I usually wake up early in the morning around 6 a.m. and 6 a.m. just I check my phone, because I can say it's a natural habit. uh, Initially, I can't say initially, I didn't check my phone in before my started YouTube channel, because that time I don't consider it is really important for me. But these days I just check mail, or sometimes what happens, I book the session, but sometime I forgot, because I'm not into habit to write my or jot it down my booked session. But I'm trying to do, because sometime I book more than two session, so it's become I can say hodgepodge, or sometime we are unable to recall like
Right, right.
exact time. That
Yes.
is the reason I check, and I remember, yes, I have to finish my work from this time to this time. So early in the morning I check, and after that I again open my phone after finish my all home chores and all my duties. So I can say this is the best habit, because sometime if I take in between my works, then
Mhm.
that day definitely I will become late or sometime monotonous. And where lost my 1 hour, half hour, we don't know. Once we pick up the phone, definitely we waste our time at least 30 to 35 minutes.
Right, right. Most of our
Time flies while picking the phone, we don't know,
yes,
isn't it?
right. We don't even realize, once we start
Yes.
scrolling, we don't even realize how the time has flew. And but don't you think like it affects on our mental health as well, right? It's called a digital fatigue there. Right, by end of
Yes.
the day, you feel, oh my God, how many things I have to do today. But these are some pending works which I have to finish tomorrow now, right? Because
Mhm.
of just scrolling, right? And
Yes.
sometimes we even brush aside our children as well. Sometimes they ask something and we are just busy, in our mobile phone. So they just keep asking, Mama, please provide me this, that, but we neglect them or
Yeah.
turn a blind eye over it. But after sometimes it could be a guilty, right?
Yes.
It
Yes.
could be a
Yeah.
guilt.
Exactly right.
Yes, it could be a guilt
Mhm.
inside us, like why I, ignored them. So that is
Mhm.
sometimes we feel guilty inside us, but I guess we should make a to-do list, right?
Mhm.
Like last night, I made a to-do list that tomorrow I have these work which I have to complete by end of the day. If I
Yes.
complete it, it gives me a sense of contentment that okay, today I have done this. But meanwhile, if I come across with other work which I wasn't aware yesterday, but now I have to complete it, that's okay. That's not a
Yes.
problem. Okay, I have these work, so I have to fulfill my responsibility here as well. For instance,
Mhm.
like around 12 o'clock, I jotted down that this time I will do this, I would do this, but now some relatives come over at my home, so now I can't brush aside them. I have to look after them as well, because I am a
Yes.
house, it's my responsibility as well. So
Mhm.
that's how we can strike a balance between work and our family relationship. But if we are
Yes.
just wasting our time while scrolling, while using our mobile phone, or just lying down on the bed for hours and hours, so I don't think so that we would be success in our life, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah. I totally resonate with your all points, I must say.
Yes. So don't you
So may
yes, yes,
yes,
please.
yes, go ahead.
No, no, please, you tell, ask me something.
Yes, may I know how many hours do you spend especially on your mobile phone?
Actually, it's not a specific timing as actually, because as you know, you are also a content creator and I am also, right? And
Mm.
sometimes it's really hard to find time for ourselves as well, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly right.
And yes, sometimes like on Saturdays, Sundays, when I feel free, then I spend time, but not unnecessarily. Like sometimes I use Instagram and I watch some reels, but I, keep it in my mind that how long I am going to watch my mobile phone, right?
Mm-hmm.
But on the other hand, because I am already wear specs, so it's not good for my eyes as well. And so yes, sometimes we have to make thumbnail, video editing, so it consumes our a lot of time. So how we can
Exactly
spend,
right.
right? So extra time, we don't have buffer time, to spend unnecessarily. So excessive
Mm-hmm.
consumption of everything, it's bad according to me, right? So we should
Mm-hmm.
keep it on our mind, like here I am not using like utilizing my time wisely. So that's how you can relate it in your life, and you can guide your children as well. You should not
Mm-hmm.
waste your time. You should be disciplined. How you can become a disciplined person in your life. But if I am as
Mm-hmm.
a mother, I am not doing, so how I can guide them? So that's
Yeah, right.
for the sake of them, we should be disciplined. Otherwise, I don't think so that here is another person like my husband or any other family member. They told me or they impose me any restriction on me that you can't use your mobile phone, right? It depends on me.
Yeah,
I know that if I am using, it can, affect on my mental health.
yeah, exactly right. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes. So don't you think just because of content creator, we are using much phone as we shouldn't use,
Hmm. Yes. You
right?
know, I was thinking or wondering a lot yesterday, should I continue this journey? But other than that, if I see other people, they have posted, I guess, many videos on their YouTube channel. So they are also managing, right? But still, I have posted only, I guess, 200 plus videos, 260, if I am not wrong.
Mhm.
I don't remember. But still, I feel exhausted that how, it could be possible to go for on a wrong long run, because yesterday I
Okay.
had shoulder pain, headache, and I took tablet. So
Okay.
sometimes I feel it's affects on our health as well. But now what should I do? What we can do?
Yeah, exactly right. We can't do anything, just we can just work if we want to see progress ourselves in, especially in this journey. So we have to do.
Right, we have to do, and why I am saying this. Uh, Recently I had words with one of my co-learners. Like, I am, as I am also associated with one of group, women group, and she told me I started working somewhere as a teacher, and she said,
Mm-hmm.
I don't like to go there, I don't know, but still I have to wake up early around 4:30 or 5, because I also have to I also have to wake my children up, right? Dress them up. And it's not
Yes.
possible for me to manage each and everything at once.
Mhm.
But still, I am
Yeah.
managing. And once I reach at my school, I feel sluggish, right? And
Yeah.
other time, you are a content creator and you can do everything by sitting at your home. Once your channel become success, right? Still it's not monetized, but once if you kept working on your channel, by
Mm-hmm.
thinking that okay, still my channel is not monetized, but once you get success in this journey, so I guess it could be a boon for you. You can
Yeah,
become
exactly right.
anything, because now I am into teaching as well, right? I teach
Mm-hmm.
students as well, meanwhile I am managing this thing. So sometimes also I feel this is also this is also called a job for me, right? I am
Yeah, exactly
working.
right.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I have also same question I always think about because I have done NTT diploma. I used to done just I thought I should join a school, but these days, being a homemaker, I think every homemaker have a same story. If we want to go school, so we need to finish, or I can say our first priority to see our home, our kids, then we have to go school, right? So sometime I'm also get puzzled or sometime I get confused. What should I do? Should I go with continue my YouTube or should I join a school? Because uh, being a homemaker, it is really very difficult, both things, because it is not easy to get monetize our channel. I can say it's not a piece of cake. We need to do more hard work. We need to become more punctual, and I can say, uh, we have to also become a master to editing because there are few things which is really important to get monetize our channel, and as well as uh, to show our hard work, to show our result, to show our good content. So there are so many things. So sometimes I get also confused because I'm also on the learning part. So I'm thinking, what should I do? Because if we go to school, so there are so many work which we have to finish before going to school.
Do you go to school every day? Means okay, you are offline teacher.
Actually, I teach in the evening. I teach tuitions.
Only tuitions. Okay, okay, right.
Yeah.
I thought
Yeah.
you go to school every day. Right.
No, no. I'm thinking, should I go or should I continue?
Oh, but
Yes.
I don't know what's running in your mind, but somewhere it could be difficult for you, isn't it? Because if you want to run your YouTube channel and or you want to go to school as well, you want teach offline, so you
It
also
would be very difficult.
manage. You have to manage. Ultimately, we have only 24 hours. So how many
Yeah,
things
yeah.
you can do?
So
But
I have to quit one thing, right? I have to quit one thing. That
it,
is the reason I get always confused. What should I do?
yes, yes, yes.
Just
Right, right. Okay, but yes, you should discuss with your family first because
actually, actually, I don't want to go inner side. Like my inner feeling is not ready to go to school. Even though I used to fascinate to go to school. Actually, I'm getting one call. Can I receive this for 1 minute?
sure,
Actually, this
no
is
problem.
not school time, so my friends call me. Should I pick? Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
definitely. It happens actually.
Yes.
And whenever
Yeah, yeah. Thank you for
have uh,
understanding.
we have sessions now, sometimes our children start distracting us and we start getting calls over and again. So it happens actually, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly right. Exactly right. Even though my parents or my sister know very well in this sorry, this time my sister would be busy, but not other relatives or friends.
Yes, yes.
Always.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we already covered so many questions. So if you have any other question, otherwise we should wind up this session.
Yes, I have questions. The way you speak really fascinates to me. So, what is the strategy behind it? You speak literally very clear.
So first of all, thank you so
So,
much.
first of all, yes, yes, most welcome. So, first of all, may I know, are you from English medium or Hindi medium? What is your medium?
Not Hindi, not English. I am from Punjabi medium, which is my native language, and I have completed
Okay.
my studies. I guess till eighth, I have completed it in Hindi medium, but ninth to master's degree, like I am postgraduated. So till that, I have completed my studies in Punjabi medium, right? So yes, I
Okay.
have started my English learning journey in the year of 2022 once my daughter went to started going to playway school, so
Mm-hmm.
then I started learning this language. So yes, there were many ups and downs while learning this language, but somehow I reached this because I believe that every drop make a mighty ocean, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I don't think so that okay, if the today is isn't in your favor, tomorrow is yours. Right? If the day I am not practicing of English, it doesn't mean that I should stop. So that's how I am just running, and it has been 7 months that I have started my own YouTube channel. Since then I have learned a lot of things because, as you know, while creating a solo video, so we have to think twice, thrice, sometimes more than that. So that thing just ingrained in our mind, right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
so
right.
now even I started teaching, so I am learning from my students as well, though they are beginners, some of them intermediate, but still I am learning because I consider myself as a coachable person. You can learn from a child as well. So this is my approach. My hobbies are learning new skills and expanding my knowledge, so I try to broaden my horizon, and I do the same. So if I talk about the strategy, yes, every day there is no one approach. It can be a monotonous for me, but yes, I guess whenever I come across with any new word, at least one or two words, I try to use it wholeheartedly rather just okay, pick word and let it be. No, I try to use that word, try to using that word while having conversation with my peers, and work on my sentence structure as well, practice with chat gpt. So there are some approach. That's how I am just learning this language.
Okay. Do you practice with ChatGPT every day?
Yes, chat gpt is like a mentor for me. Whenever I stuck somewhere, I just open my chat gpt and start practicing.
Same. So, may I know how much time do you spend, especially for practice purpose?
Hardly 1 hour every day. Other than that, this time I am having session with you. That is separate, but only for practice, half an hour or 1 hour I give to myself. I try to give myself, but yes, on some days it's not possible.
Yeah, exactly right. So do
Yes.
you also love to read books?
No, I am not into books. I am into podcast. I listen to podcast to expand my knowledge.
Okay,
Yes.
amazing. Would you like to share any podcast name
I
which
will.
you love to more?
Okay. I am not getting name, but definitely I will send you on WhatsApp.
Okay, all right.
Right. Yeah.
You don't watch particular one podcast,
No, no,
right?
not fun.
You,
I,
yeah.
often random, like, okay, this podcast will help me related to health. Like these days, I am listening to one podcast that is related to money versus happiness. What is important? So that is just, coming with me. I guess it has been 1 or 2 weeks. Right.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
once I finish it, then I will start another one. Otherwise, not.
Okay. Okay, so let's move the next question. Uh, which five things or five questions you repeat with your daughter each and every single day?
Okay. Uh, Related to English or just whatever I guide her
Related to enhance her personality. Like,
personality.
being a mother, we always uh, worried about towards our kids. I have to teach him this so that he can become good person, right?
Yes, yes.
So we,
Yes. First of all, I every day guide her about good touch and bad touch. Obviously, she's a girl, so it's my responsibility. We can't rely on anyone in today's era. Secondly, I try to guide her that you should be confident no matter who is in front of you, right? You have your own personality, right? So try to be confident, try to give answer of each and every question, right? And one more thing, I often tell her that you shouldn't use abuse language with anyone. Fourth one is, if someone is teasing you, bully you, you don't need to take revenge. Come to me, tell me whatever happens with you, I will handle it. Right. And the fifth one is, I am as your mother. Meanwhile, I am your friend as well. And don't hide anything to me. Right. I am your well wisher. Don't believe other people. Believe on your parents only. If I scold you, if I am saying you anything, it doesn't mean that I am your enemy, right? I am your mother, but as well as I'm your friend as well. So share each and everything with me. So such things I every day I guide her.
wow, that's amazing. That's a
Yes.
really, I can say, good keys for our kids. Every kids, I must say.
Right, right. These are some factors actually and truth. So we should guide our children. Otherwise, we forget what is right, what is wrong. They don't know. We think, okay, they are children. But no, somewhere they understand everything. Even yesterday, she told me, Mama, your CPU is not working. Your CPU is not working on one thing. So I couldn't expect that she's only 5 years old and she can think like this. Your CPU is not working. What I am doing? Why are you
Oh
asking
my
over
God.
and again? So they have a
Mm-hmm.
computer mind. So
Mm-hmm.
right,
Right, right. I must say these generation kids are much smarter than us.
right. I guess
Hmm.
90%. We were 10% only in front of them.
Yeah, yeah, exactly right.
Yes.
Yeah, and I must say it should be because in coming generation, uh, it is really important for them.
Yes, actually.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Actually, I have many questions for you as well, but now we are running out of time. But no problem, we will definitely connect to each other one more time, and I will ask you some questions as well.
Yeah,
So,
same. I have also so many questions related to kids because there are so many mother they always get confused. There are so many like related to hobbies. How
Yes.
can we improve the hobbies to our little champion? So we will discuss
Right.
next time.
We will make a video on such topic, right? This such topic,
Yeah,
and definitely we will connect soon. But it was really pleasure talking to you. I really enjoyed, and it really inspired that you have a bundle of question to ask, and the way you speak, it is also a commendable, amazing, remarkable. Thank you so much, and yes, it's enough.
thank you so much for your kind word. Thank you so much. And I thoroughly enjoyed our conversation. It doesn't seem we are meeting for the first time.
Right, right. So okay then.
Okay, bye bye. Have a great day.
Yes,
Okay,
likewise. Bye bye.
bye bye.